Hey, color adventurers! Welcome back to our creative corner. Are you ready to become a color mixing magician? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of color with just 5 special paints. That's right, only 5. With these, you can create almost any color you can imagine. It's going to be so much fun. First up, let's meet our superstars, red, yellow, and blue. These are called the primary colors. Think of them as the parents of all the other colors. They are super special because you can't make them by mixing other colors together. They're the originals, the all-stars, the big 3. So, what happens when these primary colors have a party and start mixing? Let's find out. Grab some yellow and a little bit of red. Let's mix them together on our palette. Swish, swoosh, swirl. What do you see? Wow, it's orange, like a juicy orange or a beautiful sunset. Yellow and red make orange. How cool is that? Okay, let's keep the magic going. This time, let's invite yellow and blue to dance together. A scoop of sunny yellow and a drop of brilliant. Blue, mix, mix, mix them up. Look, it's turning into green, the color of fresh grass, yummy broccoli, and slithery snakes. So, yellow and blue make green. You're doing an amazing job. We have one more primary combination to try. Let's see what happens when red and blue get together. A splash of red and a touch of blue. Stir them around, and voila. We have purple. A royal, magnificent purple, just like a king's robe or a yummy grape. So, red and blue make purple. Orange, green, and purple are called secondary colors because we made them from our primary trio. Now, you might be wondering, what about our other 2 mystery colors? Let me introduce you to black and white. These 2 are like color wizards. They don't make new colors like orange or green, but they have a very important job. They change the shade and tint of our colors. Let's take our awesome red and add a tiny bit of white. Mix it all up. What's happening? It's getting lighter. We've made pink. The more white you add, the lighter the pink becomes. This is called a tint. You can add white to any color to make it lighter. A little white in blue makes light blue, and a little in green makes light green. So, what does black do? You guessed it. It makes colors darker. This is called a shade. Let's take that same red again and add the tiniest speck of black. Be careful, a little black goes a long way. Mix it in .C. Our bright red is turning into a deep, dark red, like a cherry. You can do this with any color to make it darker and more mysterious. Now you have all the secrets. With just red, yellow, blue, white, and black, you are the master of your own color universe. You can mix a bright orange for a tiger, then add a little white to make a light peach. You can mix a deep purple for a galaxy, then add a tiny bit of black to make it even darker. The possibilities are endless. What happens if you mix red, yellow, and blue all together? Go on, try it. You'll get a brownish color. By changing how much of each primary color you use, you can make all different kinds of brown. And by adding white or black, you can make light tan or dark chocolate brown. So get your paints out and start experimenting. What new colors can you create? Try mixing your secondary colors too. What do you get if you mix orange and blue? Or green and purple? The only limit is your imagination. Thank you so much for joining me on this colorful journey today. I had a blast mixing colors with you. Don't forget to keep practicing and have fun painting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more creative adventures. See you next time, little artists. Bye for now.